Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're going to show you pieces that are coming in and out of the shop. So please go to subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to our website mumfordrestoration.com and take a look at what you could have restored. This is a really cool mid-century cabinet, and it has such a unique design with the doors that open across and drawers inside. And it has been completely restored, and you see the original handles brightened just a little bit, and just a typical really cool walnut piece, and I think the customer is going to be thrilled. So take a look at the before pictures of how this piece was really looking shabby, and now it's in the completed stage. Thanks for watching.